Welcome back to Real Repairs for Real Customers. Sometimes we're asked to repair items that are in the manufacturing process. How can we gain the confidence that we can repair that item so that it still can be sold as brand new? We hope that this video will help you in that regard. And we'd like to mention we have a new sponsor with us today. John Davidson of Superior Restoration Products has agreed to help us with our repair today.
Please take the time to visit Superior Restoration Products, where service and knowledge truly do make the difference. I've included links to all the products used in this repair in the description box below.
So let's go to work.
Here we have a boat seat that was damaged in transit to the assembly plant. We can be thinking about our repair options as we get it ready. It's good to categorize the necessary steps as either structural or cosmetic. In the case of this small damage in a low-stress area, Superior's heat-cured vinyl repair compound will actually fulfill both the structural and the cosmetic requirements. The flat profile of the panel makes this an ideal candidate for the ironing method, as you will see. We'll be using the butane-powered Ultra-Torch UT100, the self-igniter, and Superior's mini iron attachment. First, though, we'll clean with Z7 cleaner at a 50-50 dilution with water. Since the seat is new, a cursory cleaning is all that's needed. Follow that with silicone wash to remove any remaining oils and to effect a dry out of the surface. Now apply the vinyl repair compound with the pellet knife. Spread it evenly using the Bondo spreader. Note how the spreader is held at a low angle so that we leave material behind rather than scraping it off. Choose the appropriate graining paper and take notice that you have the shiny release side down. On this first application, we want the iron to remain in one spot long enough to allow the heat to penetrate through the depth of our compound and the original vinyl. Do move the iron a bit to see if it is browning the paper. This browning is your heat indicator. It is the only reference for what is happening underneath the paper. If our paper browns too quickly, then the iron is too hot and we can't leave it in one spot without burning the repair. The Ultra-Torch has an adjustment. Notice the exhaust port in the mini iron adapter. It is oriented up and away from the paper. At this point, I'm going to get the chill bar ready. It will be necessary to cool the repair a bit before lifting the paper so that we don't pull the repair material right out. Now, grab the paper by one corner and slowly peel it back, looking to see if it comes off cleanly. If not, then the compound is not yet properly cured. Dabbing some color will serve as a guide coat and will reveal any areas that need further attention. As a suggestion, target only one area at a time when perfecting the repair. you will have more control of the outcome. By this time, our iron has gotten hotter, and that works perfectly to our advantage. The thinner layer of compound requires less dwell time, and the greater heat will give a sharper grain impression. Again, peel the paper slowly for inspection. The other end could use some feathering out. Notice that we apply the compound into the ridge. You can see even better here how toasting the paper gives us a good visual guide for the heat application. Now some color will reveal our progress, and it looks like the repair will pass retail scrutiny. Clean the cured compound to remove any surface plasticizer that can impede the adhesion of the color coat. So, it's Z7 and silicone wash as before. Our color coat of choice for this marine application is SEM, S-E-M, Solvent System. Test the spray pattern and atomization on a spray-out card or cardboard before going to the repair area. Light mist coats are better. Heavy coats will leave a shiny spot and will remain tacky for quite a while. Drying between mist coats will give the matte look I'm after here. Blend the color away from the repair a little bit. Remember, we already cleaned out there. On occasion, you may have pinholes to fill, but you don't want to reheat the repair because you already have the perfect contour. In that case, choose from any of the air-dry, flexible fillers available. If you have difficulty hiding the repair area, there is a myriad of products and methods that can help. For example, wiping and dabbing with a filler, spraying barrier coat, or any number of spray grain options. The reason for our choice of a solvent color coat here is that a water-based polymer coating will soften when exposed to constant moisture, as will be likely in any marine application. If you have questions about the products used, please call Superior Restoration Products and check the links in the description box below.